Asa naman tong pila magpatuturog Bisaya? Oy, wa pa man. Nakaw mo ko ba? Puyo-puyo dres Pilipinas yan, di kabalo Bisaya. Klase nga. Bisaya manuntang mama. Kabalo Bisaya. Katulog na ko, asa nakapilama ka.
Hello, sir. What are you listening today, sir? I would like to teach Bisaya language, sir. My teacher is sleeping. Sir, wake up. Sir, I'm here. Wake up. Sir. Sir, wake up. Are you sleeping?
Oh, good morning.
Oh, good morning. Good morning too. Good morning too.
Give heart?
Oh, I'm from US.
Oh, that's...
What we call that?
sit down.
What do you call?
Sit down.
Sit down.
Yeah,
Like
sit down.
sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit.
Like this, position.
I like a position.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay. Sir, our first topic. What is our lesson today?
Where are you live?
Because I have a fever.
Fever?
Yeah. I understand. Thanks.
Why did you around the school? Okay. Our lesson for today is all about Bisaya. Do you know Bisaya? Familiar?
Bisaya. What is the language of Bisaya?
Yes, that's why I can teach you today.
Bisaya.
Yeah,
Bisaya.
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 Cebuano.
Filipino language.
Yes.
Bisaya.
Your mother is Bisaya.
My mother, yes. My father is US.
Oh, your father is Bisaya.
Oh no, my mother is Bisaya.
Yeah.
My father is American.
Why did you not master to speak it in Bisaya?
Because I'm my father.
Okay.
Sir, I would like to know the language of Filipino.
Okay, Bisaya.
Oh yeah, Bisaya.
Bisaya. Okay, let's skip this topic.
Oh yes.
Let's proceed to Bisaya version. Okay.
The standard topic.
Yeah, okay, let's proceed. Hey, number 1. I can teach you basic from Bisaya.
Oh, basic. Oh
basic.
yeah. Yes.
Number 1 is Bisaya of horse. Horse.
What is
horse?
Horse like eats grass.
Oh, yes. Horse is kabayo.
Caballo.
Kabayo.
Oh, what is caballo?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kabayo.
I would like to take note.
Yes.
Take note.
Yeah, you think kabayo.
Caballo.
Yes.
I would.
It's not correct kabayo. The correct is kabayo.
Caballo.
Yes. I consider that because
You consider the word caballo. That's a Filipino horses.
Yes. And since our first meeting, I can consider you. Okay. And number 2 is kalbasa.
What is a kabasa?
Kalbasa is a vegetable.
Food.
Oh, yeah.
Fruits.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah, dragon fruit.
Do you have a picture?
Yeah, dragon fruit.
Do you have picture?
Dragon fruits. Do you know familiar dragon fruits?
I don't. Fire.
Yes, dragon fruits.
Dragon fire.
Dragon fruits?
Like fire dragon fruit.
No. It's a vegetable.
A vegetable. Eden.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Kalabasa.
Kalabasa.
Yes, kalabasa.
I will take a kalabasa.
Yeah, take a kalabasa.
Fruit. It's a fruit. I belong to
vegetable.
A vegetable. Not a dragon.
Okay.
Fire.
Americano. Yeah. Oh.
Fire. Horses eating grasses.
Ambot ni mo naglagot mo nimo. Yes, you take that.
Yes. Ano number 2 topic dyan?
Ulat di kay si kwan na dagot nimo.
Horses, kalabasa, Filipino fruit,
May ramo mo in English perting mga kuanan ninyo.
Filipino animals, horses.
Okay, number
Kabayo.
3. Number 3.
Number 3. Yeah, proceed number 3. What is number 3?
Number 3 is delicado.
Delicado.
Yeah, delicado. Delicado. Do you familiar delicado?
What is the meaning of delicado?
Okay. From the word delicado in English, it is danger.
Oh, danger!
Yes.
Accident?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
the cow-
Danger.
Vehicle, trailer, one,
Delicate.
and
Delicate, danger, or whatever. Basta. Sorry. Delicate, danger. Delicado.
delicado, danger.
Yeah.
Delicado, danger.
Yes.
Accident,
Yeah,
delicado.
yes. You get my point. Take note.
Delicado.
Basta daghan ng kuan ni. Kuanan.
Delicado. Caballo,
Sulat na diha. Sige.
kalabasa.
Number 4. Proceed to the number 4.
Oh yes, number 4. What is number 4?
Number 4. Sabaan.
Sabaan.
Yes.
What does that mean? Sabaan.
Sabaan. For example, sabaan kaayo ka. Oh.
Me?
Yeah, you get. Sabaan is you are a very noise. Sabaan is noise.
I get
Noise. Yeah.
talking.
Oh, yes. Talking.
I'm not talking to you.
Sabaan. Yeah. Take note.
Take note. Yeah. Sabaan.
Yeah. Ikaw man ang sabaan. Ang sabaan na ni mo putian nagtarong kuan diha si
Ay.
saba.
Sabaan?
Yeah.
Me?
You sabaan.
This is a
Yeah,
language,
sorry.
sabaan?
Nice.
Nice. Sabaan.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, proceed. Number 5. Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5. Tabian.
Oh, what is that? Tabian.
Yes, tabian. It is a sharing of opinion. Tabian.
Like to others.
Oh, to others.
Like talking.
What we are talking for today, can you share to others, proceed to the other nation, and to proceed the conclusion. That's tabian.
Many people like taking their breath. Yeah, talking.
Yes, that is a tabian.
Tabian.
Yes.
What is that? English tabian.
Sharing opinion.
A sharing opinion.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
Tabian.
I like this.
Yes.
Sharing opinion.
You take note.
Take note. Take note.
Number 5. Number 5.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's proceed to number 6.
What is number 6?
Number 6 is dalu.
Dalo.
Yes, dalu.
Dalo.
Yes, dalu.
What is dalo?
Yes, dalu. Dalu is dili manghatag.
Dali manghatag.
Yes, dalu is
What-
tripti.
What is meaning of dali manghatag?
Tripti.
The English of dali manghatag?
Not generous.
That generous.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Many people that generous.
Oh, tripti, most tripti. Kuripot.
Kuripo.
Oh.
Dalo. Kuripo.
Oh, kuripot. Take note. Sige,
I'll take
gyaw-
note. Dalo.
Sige, gyaw. I-take note na diha.
What's the spelling of dalo?
Yes, D-A-L-O, dalo.
D-A-L-O.
Yeah, come
Oh,
on.
yes.
Okay, dalo. Yung pinang-state
Yes,
natin.
dalo.
Okay, this is the last. And after this, we can dismiss our class and next meeting again, okay?
What's the number?
Oh, number 7.
Number 7.
Yeah, number 7.
Yeah, this is number 7.
This is the last
Oh.
number. This
So,
number
it's
and
very
you can
thankful.
dismiss, okay?
Yes.
The last is sumbagon.
What is sumbagon?
Yeah, sumbagon.
I the punches.
Punch.
I punches.
Yes, punches.
Hook the
Yes.
jab.
Yeah, Karate Kid punch. Yes.
Karate.
Yes.
Yeah, like a
Sumbagon.
Bruce Lee. Like
I can hear your sumbagon. Yeah, ready. Sumbagon.
sumbagon.
Okay, sumbagon na. Punch. For example, punch.
I want to hit me.
Yeah, punch. Example, a punch.
As the example,
Yes.
sumbagon.
Yeah, sumbagon na. Take note. This is the last, Last. And next meeting again. Nice to meet you, bro.
Oh yes,
Nice
tiger
to meet
bro.
you, and you can study that.
Good teacher.
Yes.
You're a good teacher.
Oh, I know that. Then you can study that. At the next meeting, I can give you oral presentation, oral recitation,
What is oral?
oral.
Speaking.
Yeah, I can ask
Many people. Action.
No, it's only you and me. I can
two-
ask you a question and you can
Do
answer
one
direct.
on one.
Yeah. You got my point. Yeah.
Like basketball.
Yeah.
1-on-1.
Oh, it's nothing basketball. It's about language of
A
Bisaya.
language of Bisaya.
Yes. So that's all for today. Thank you for coming, this bro.
Yeah, bro.
And proceed. Dismiss.
This is lesson 1.
This is lesson 1.
I will go home now.
Yeah, so until Friday yan.
Next Friday, I will back here. Back
Okay,
here.
okay, bro.
Oh yes. I will, you go to the America.
Yes.
I will go. You goodbye. I will go home now.
Ambot ni mo, wala ko kasabot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Father is a US.
Why did you not pass?
You.
Oh, thank you. Ah.
First. Okay. Oh. Ay, katawa. Before, have you received any benefits from let's consider your pronunciation kabayo. Ay, katawa ba?
Go.
Yes. Since we are first meeting,
There you go.
you can you share to others and yes, bye.
There you go.
Yeah, so bago na. Take to.
Go.
Yeah.